Intelligence agencies have been picking intelligence that there are terrorists who are still interested in hitting us. So the latest was today morning. They picked intelligence that places of worship were likely to be hit today. And of course, during the intelligence briefing, they also got information that one terrorist had already been sent out to go and carry out the mission. So they followed the terrorists, and although in other places of worship we had also put there our intelligences, but they picked this one which was more active, and they followed him up to here, and he was arrested, and the bag immediately was set aside for further management. When we brought our technology, indeed they confirmed that in the bag there was an IED.
What do you mean by IED?
Improvised explosive device, and they had to do controlled detonation. You had the explosion. We are now trying to analyze what was in the IED. It was a food flask. Which food flask they had used the nails, battery of a motorcycle, which was the charger. They had used the phone, which was supposed to be a switch for it, detonator, booster charger, and others. But we are still trying to look for the SIM card, although the phone we have got, but the SIM card, I think during the controlled detonation, the SIM card is not there. We shall look for it. This food flask, on top he had put powder, which is also for explosive. If you look at it, you might think either it is rice or it is posho. So when you are checking, it can tell you that this is my food, and if you open, you will see white stuff. You might easily allow him to enter with it. So good enough, we did control detonation, and the effect was not too great. It was minimal. It's under custody. It's called Kintu Abraham. He's 28 years. We have interacted with him, but he has told us that 4 more, that they had sent them 4. So we are still looking for 3 others. And right now he's helping us to locate those people where they are. So he's under custody. The charges, of course, relating to terrorism. We only want to appeal to members of the public that terrorism is real.